What's up, YouTube? The Mercy WL20, if you look closely, you can't really see it well, but it's on the voice sign. I wonder why it's showing that. This severe weather today. And there will be certain weather rates that might not go off because they're programmed for certain counties. This weather rate has 10 counties, all 10 counties programmed by a certain county. Select. This weather rate might not go off for all the alerts. This weather rate right there will definitely not go off for all the alerts. I know this one will not. There's a 12-991 back there. This is my first severe weather event this year. Yeah, I know there was going to be severe weather today. Both WL300s are going to go off, I know that. EA40. EA10 even doesn't look like it's going to go off, it is. By the way, I put batteries in the WL300 back there. And the Raytrack 12260. Speaking of 12-2, whatever the heck you want to call it. This 12-247's going to go off, and 12-247A. This is what this one sounds like. Go on the rain. I do it quick. That's a Taylor Swift sticker if you're wondering. That's newer, I say. By the way, this has a sticker on it, believe it or not. It doesn't look like it does, but it does. It's on the back of it. Guess the brand. Midland. Good old trusty Midland. Hopefully you go off for the watch. I want you to go off for the watch. Don't want the weather at all. Let's switch to program. Yeah, KZZ 52 is kind of weird on this. This weather was pretty raspy, so raspy that KZZ 52 would glitch. Hey, I should on this one, should I, guys? Let me know in the comments, it's okay. I can turn this screen on if I want to. Battery life is pretty good. I approve. It's on the light. Backlight, yep. These still at 3 bars. And my Alexa, if there's a power outage, my Alexa, and then I have my emergency backup sound machine. My Alexa has a power bank, but I have to plug back in the power bank. Unplug the power bank over to work. Actually, there's a delay on Alexa. This one doesn't have a delay anymore. It had a delay earlier, but it doesn't. Also, we might get some EASs from some other stations, like K-Love and stuff. Because K-Love does a lot of EASs. I don't know what the real name for K-Love, the station for K-Love is, but KISO Omaha, that's 9991, actually not 99.9 KGUR. KGUR is KGUR, 99.9 KGUR, but EAS was pretty cool, but KISO Omaha is 96.1. KISS FM, KISS, KISO, KIS. If you don't know what S, it'd be KISS Omaha. I don't know what they're trying to do right there, but it's cool. Also, if I do spell those correctly, it's bitch video. Plus video, I'm calling it down all different tones. This vein is not gonna be the Karen. The WL300 is not gonna be the Karen behind the scenes. Except the Alexa is gonna be the Karen. That's if there's weather alerts, I'll plan to be weather alerts. Playton, sorry about that. That's okay. Still not counting out the Patrick video. That's the chum bucket. And yeah, this one will go off, I know that. If it get too crazy, I will already upload something for the emergency WL20. This thing always stays on, no matter what. Unless there's somehow a really big situation now I need to take the WL with me out of service. but it's rare. Whenever it's bell, I'll ring it all during the watch. I'll play the radio during watch if anyone's up. If everyone's up, then that's the same. If anyone's up. That's off. Doing everything I can do. Ramp testing.
8 p.m. this evening. Affected area. Lancaster. Cass.
Yeah, we also have this fire weather. You know, what was the name of this, by the way?
8 p.m. this evening.
In fact, one of my teachers had one of these weather radios. And he has a story to tell me about this Eaton weather radio. He told me this. He did not know it was on. And also he heard it was noise. Like, I tried my best to do the weather radio tone. And I told him that's definitely a weather radio. And this is from Menards, and he got it from Menards also. Also, he has a WR120. That same teacher also has a WR120, but not looking like this. Looking more like my first WR120 without the vandalism and the stickers. Without the stickers and stuff. More like the WR120 down there without the tape. There's a WR27, that's a WR100 back there. Very valuable one. Yeah. I'm very excited for today's weather alert. And yeah, we will get a weather alert, so I know we're gonna get a watch. I'm gonna wait all day for the watch. This one is gonna go off for select counties. I'll show you what counties codes so it will go off. This is for county 1. Wait for it. It's a pain in the butt to do the flip because this is enough. No, yes. Whoever it's this county will go off. Yeah, you get the point. There's different counties that had programs because it's so we could do multiple, not all. This can also do multiple, not all either. I wish you could do any. I think the top 250s. I don't remember correctly. I think top 250s might do all. If you don't, I can program the code. This is also to keep disabling your alerts.
This is NOAA All Hazards radio station KIH 61 in Omaha, Nebraska.
Looks. Now if I can have these three weatherways next to each other, just for fun. Sorry for all my clothes. I just am a messy guy. Don't flip the switch to the opposite. As a matter of fact, that's why there's tape right there. This X means it's an emergency radio. It doesn't mean that it's broken. If it was broken, it would have a W. Just kidding. It would have to be out of service.
Fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.75 inches.
That's a good speaker, I tell you. Anyways, that's it.